Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your Honor 50. First of all, open your gallery and go into your photos. Then to save photos into a hidden album, need press and hold to select photos, for example this one, and click more in the bottom right corner. Click and choose hide. Hide to items, click OK to confirm. And now if you want to open this photo, go into album and in the top right corner we got 3 dots, click it and choose hidden items. And here we got all our hide photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.